Well, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and many of us may know someone who has been affected by the disease. Patients have to deal with not only the health impact, breast cancer can take a psychological, emotional, even an economic toll. KFDM reporter Leslie Rangel examines a program that helps women navigate their way through their cancer journey.
Okay, I'm going to have you bring your right arm across and hold this bar.
Billy Longcon is no stranger to an examining room at Christus Hospital St. Elizabeth in Beaumont. She's not a patient. Longcon and Janet Sewell are breast cancer navigators.
The word breast cancer is just so overwhelming and causes anxiety just thinking about it.
Their role is to help navigate women through what is often a confusing and frightening time in their lives.
My job is actually being with the patient in their biopsy, holding their hand and telling them it's going to be okay.
Doctors say that guiding hand through the entire process makes a difference.
Once we get into looking at breast cancer and the diagnosis, the biopsy, that sort of thing, it becomes a very confusing maze.
Women who've traveled through that maze as patients, navigators, and survivors came together at this garden party at Christus.
Found the lump on Christmas Day 2011, and they told me what those next steps were to do in the shock of going, what are you telling me?
Eva LeBlanc credits the two navigators with helping her from diagnosis through treatment and recovery. These women all have different stories, but are linked by a common bond: the navigators.
I think navigators are wonderful because all of a sudden you're in emotional shock. My future has changed in an instant.
A lot of people say it really helped me when you just patted my leg during this procedure. Thank you so much for what you've done. And that makes me feel good.
A feeling that carries over from navigator to patient to survivor.
I am considered a survivor. Woohoo!
In Beaumont, Leslie Rangel, KFDM 6 News.
There are only 36 breast cancer navigators in the state of Texas. 3 are here in Beaumont.